Multiple sclerosis, MS, is a chronic, immune-mediated disorder of the central nervous system, causing demyelination, neuroinflammation, and progressive neurodegeneration. Affecting 2.8 million people worldwide, MS is more common in women and those in northern latitudes. The causes are multifactorial. Genetic factors, particularly the HLA-DRB115:01 allele, increase risk. Epstein-Barr virus, EBV, low vitamin D, smoking, and adolescent obesity also contribute. A 2022 study confirmed EBV as a key trigger, with molecular mimicry causing immune system malfunction. In MS, immune cells like CD4 and CD8 T cells cross the blood-brain barrier, triggering inflammation and damage to the brain. Cytokines such as IFN, Illinois 17, and TNF drive this process, while matrix metalloproteinases facilitate immune cell infiltration. Treatment options include interferon beta, glatiramer acetate, and oral agents like dimethyl fumarate. Monoclonal antibodies, such as Ocrelizumab, target CD20 to reduce relapses and lesion formation. Natural treatments, such as vitamin D3, supported by multiple studies for its immunomodulatory effects, omega-3 fatty acids, curcumin, and resveratrol. Emerging therapies include remyelination agents and CAR T-cell approaches targeting autoreactive B cells, with biomarker-guided treatments. Thank you.